The Vine boom is the modern laugh track, and it will continue to stay funny for at least another century. Don't believe me? I'm going to read a normal article about a random statistic, and I'll tell me if it's funny. Worldwide obesity statistics show over 1 billion people living with obesity in 2024, including 880 million adults and 160 million children and adolescents. Adult obesity has more than doubled since 1990, while adolescent obesity has quadrupled, highlighting the escalating global endemic of overweight and obesity. The prevalence of obesity is higher in women than men and varies by region. Let's see if that's funny or not.